Hi, I'm Susanne Alexander. I've noticed that it's easy for the pace of life and negative happenings in the world to prompt us to be more serious. We begin to worry about what's going on or become preoccupied with the many tasks we're managing. However, I've discovered one of the spiritual solutions is to consciously smile and laugh more often. It lifts my spirits and connects me with others. Every task is easier to accomplish, and joyful laughter is an amazing gift. Here are a few of my favorite quotations to inspire you. Abdu'l-Baha, in the Promulgation of Universal Peace, says, "Laugh, smile, and rejoice in order that others may be made happy by you." Stephen Post, in Why Good Things Happen to Good People, says, "Cultivate humor as a higher path, a cosmic contentment that is truly lighthearted and full of joy. You will lighten the lives of others simply by the radiance of your good humor. Even the briefest laughter reminds us that we have available a kind of spiritual gold anytime, anywhere." And Reverend Susan Sparks, in Laugh Your Way to Grace, Reclaiming the Spiritual Power of Humor, says, "Find one tiny thing to smile or laugh about today. Doesn't matter what it is, find it and share it with a friend or a loved one, or even better, with a stranger. At the end of your day, reflect on the joyful handprint you shared. Think about how it may have begun a tiny but significant chain reaction, a healing for your community and for your world." I hope you find many reasons to laugh today.